What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, if you have not copped your AIRPOD replicas, you can cop them at hustlersbuy.com. Link is below. We are back moving and grooving. The freaking shipping is over, okay? All the shipping problems and the postal strike are over. They went and got a tentative deal, so I'm very happy to hear that. So now, when it comes to products getting to my store, when it comes to anything, I'm good, y'all. I am so thankful. And this is a prime example of being an entrepreneur. You're going to have your ups and downs. You're going to have things that are controllable, things that are not controllable. But no matter what, you got to make it happen, right? So, number one, we're here to talk about something that I am so excited to talk about. 3 side hustles that you guys can do right now and make money. So, number one, okay, I want you guys to understand who I am first. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you guys make an extra income. Number two, I want you guys also to understand the sky is the limit, okay? You guys can do any of these side hustles and more. You can develop side hustles that can make more money that are not on my top 3. And again, I don't see how anything anybody says on YouTube or anybody says on any type of video is law. These are all opinions, and also these are things that I experienced that I want to project on you. I want to actually let you guys know how I'm benefiting from these and how you can as well. So number one is phone flipping. I love phone flipping. Phone flipping is how you make most of your money, especially when it comes to flipping money. You can flip your money fast literally by phone flipping, okay? Now, if you don't know how to do it and you're just starting from scratch and you're just like, what do I do? Guys, you can go to imhustlersmindset.com and you can go ahead and get our phone flipping academy, okay? Number 2, and this is still with phone flipping. Number 2, the reason why this is a really great income stream and side hustle is because there's phones literally everywhere, right? People use phones daily. People use phones because they're in need. People use phones at like literally maybe 18 hours out of their day. Why would you not want to get into an industry where it is continuously consistent, okay? These phones are always selling. People are always using phones, always buying phones. This is an industry that is never going to stop, something you can literally indulge in and make money, make profits with, literally by buying somebody's phone they have no value for. Okay, they don't even value this phone no more, but you can go ahead and you can turn that phone into $80, literally $90. And we have our own buyer's price list literally at imhustlersmindset.com too, for you to literally know exactly what buyers are paying for the phones. All right, so and if you get the course, you already know that you're getting a private 30-minute one-on-one session with me. As you guys see, I post videos of me literally talking to people that take my phone flipping course and helping them out in any way possible. You also can join a Discord where you're getting other phone flippers literally every single day, 24/7, that you can ask questions to. So it's like literally a no-brainer when it comes to phone flipping. Phone flipping is so easy. It's just literally making sure you have people that are going to help you build your foundation. Once you got your foundation, you moving and grooving. Ain't nobody finna stop you. Now, number 2, we're talking about reselling, okay? Product reselling, electronic flipping. These are lucrative. And one thing I can say is, like, when it comes to product flipping, this is something literally you can do at work. You can do if you're trapped in a house. You literally can product resell doing anything else. Like you can literally make this your side income literally anywhere. If you're at work and you're on lunch, you can be flipping products. If you're at school, you can be flipping products. If you're literally jobless, you have a job, you can be flipping products. There's no reason why you should not be product flipping, because all you got to do is find a distributor. We are the distributor. Hustlersbuy.com literally has so many products. We just added 30 more products for you guys this week. We have products where you literally can flip these products right now and turn them into a profit. Right now. All you do is create an account. You get wholesale pricing. You can buy at low 4. You can buy 4 quantities and still get a discount. It used to be you had to buy 6. Guys, we are building something, and when it comes to this income stream, just like the phone flipping income stream, is untouchable, y'all. This is something that people are making a whole bunch of money on, and we're not talking about just drop shipping. We're talking about you having a physical product and you literally listing a product and making a product make you money. Is a no-brainer, hands down, something you can do and obtain easy breezy. I'm telling you right now, there is no way you should not be able to phone flip. No way you should not be able to product relist. I'm telling you right now, when it comes to you making money, mark my words, when it comes to you making money, you can do this stuff literally in your sleep. You can go to sleep with $0, wake up with 500. It is that easy, guys. Last but not least, there's digital products, okay? So it comes to courses, ebooks. I just wrote my first ebook, y'all, and my first ebook is on imhustlersmindset.com, okay? It is really, really sentimental to me because I took my time on this book, and guys, I cannot wait for you guys to read it. But digital products are awesome. A lot of people are getting into digital products because, I'm going to be honest, digital products don't really, to a lot of individuals, take that much work unless you're really taking it personal and you're really trying to cater to your market and whoever you're trying to target. But one thing I can say is it gives you an opportunity to actually provide an extraordinary amount of value to someone. And I think that is where I fell in love with digital products, because I can create a course and I can be in your living room for a lifetime teaching you how to do something, and you can always refer back to it. And I think that is something really cool. And I think also it's going to bring a lot of value to individuals so that you'll be able to always understand how to assess how you can make the money literally work for you and also have it work for somebody else. So whatever your skill is, whatever you're really good at doing, you can actually reflect it and project it onto other individuals, whether it's an ebook, a course, a worksheet, whatever you are good at. Try and think and strategize how you can implement it onto other people. I truly believe you're only as good as the people around you. And also, I believe that as a leader, you should be able to make other people better. And if you can't make other people better, you're essentially, to me, not a leader, because I feel as though a leader is not just somebody that bosses people around. A leader is also somebody that can bring people together and make them stronger, make it a unit, make you guys propel yourselves to another level, guys. And that is the beautiful portion of digital products that I fell in love with. And I love digital products. I love product reselling. I love phone flipping. I love these streams because these streams are always consistent. And I'm telling you guys right now, this is not something that I only can do because I'm in a certain position. No, this is something you can do too. You right there, you can do it too. You have it in you. You can get it done too. And I believe in you guys. So make it happen.